Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's video, we are going to be doing another Amazon review on this unit, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be styling the wig. I'm gonna show you how I put it on my head, and then we are going to get into the specs and the actual review of this hair, okay? So definitely stay tuned if you would like to know more about this unit. Okay, so as you can see, the packaging says Beauty Forever because that is the company that this wig was made from, but I got this wig on Amazon and the shipping was 2 days, okay? I really do believe I got it the next day, but I'm gonna say 2 days just in case. It came with a headband that has like a tropical print as well as a brown wig cap, which I love. All right, let's get into the lace cap construction. And as you can see, it is a full lace on the inside. It also has a closure that is a silk top, okay? It is one of those silk closures where it looks very, very believable, but they are a little bit harder to work with, I'm not gonna lie. However, I would definitely say that this wig came out amazing, and I really love the construction of this wig. It has adjustable straps as well as combs on the inside as well. Okay, so this is how the unit came out, and I think it looks really, really pretty, all right? So let's get into the specs, and then I'm going to give you all the information you need to know on this unit, all right? Well, I did get this unit from Amazon. However, the hair is from the company Beauty Forever, all right? I'm gonna have the direct links, discount code, all of that down in the bottom bar. This is a T-shaped lace closure wig, which basically just means it has a middle part. They consider the front and going down the middle a T-shape, okay? Just so that you are not confused on what it is to have a T-shaped wig, all right? This hair is 10A Brazilian human hair. This unit comes from 14 to 24 inches. This specific unit that I am wearing is 24 inches, which is the longest, and it is really, really beautiful. I love the length, that is perfect. This unit is black, but it also has streaks in the front, just the front around the perimeter, and definitely right here, so that you can see like that little peekaboo color, all right? And this specific color is TL27. This cap size is 22 to 22.5 inches, and the middle part is stuck in there. You cannot do your own parting space whatsoever. So if you get this wig, know that you cannot change the parting space. So this was a trend going around where you have your hair black and then you just add a strip of blonde in the front, okay? So what I noticed is that they have the strip of blonde around the whole entire perimeter. This is not the neatest job, however, I think it looks good. You know, it's doable, all right? But up here, the parts that you can actually see, they did a great job. I have no complaints with that. I love the pop of color, like on the perimeter, because if I curl my hair going back, you'll see a little bit more color. But if I just let it be straight like this, you just see the pop of color. So I really do like that. All right, so the hair is very straight, okay? I literally did not have to flat iron my hair. I did use the flat iron to go in and just curl the ends of the hair a little bit. So there is some information that I want to give you about the lace. The lace is on a thick side, which isn't a bad thing. It just was very, very difficult for me to pluck, okay? I was trying to pluck to customize the hairline a little bit. I think it was just a little bit too full, and I wanted to like kind of separate my baby hairs. It was taking me forever, like it was not pulling out. So with that being said, like this is not one of the units that you're gonna be able to like fully like pluck the hell out of, or it's gonna be extremely time consuming. I was able to get some hairs out, but not as much as I wanted to. But even though it's kind of a negative, it's also a positive because you're going to have less shedding, okay? You basically, it will be hard for your hair to start shedding because that hair is in that closure, all right? When I say it is set in that closure, I mean it is not coming out unless you're doing something crazy. So that means this wig is going to have longevity. Even though I couldn't really pluck the way I wanted to, the wig style still came out exactly how I wanted it to come out. It came out really, really good. I just would have liked, you know, just a little bit more like, you know, plucking so that it could kind of look a little bit more natural. But I think that it came out so good, okay? And I'm not even worried. I think it looks really pretty. I'm gonna wear this wig tomorrow on July 4th because I think it'll be really cute with my outfit, all right? So the hair does hold a curl, obviously, because I did curl the ends of the hair. If you want to wear your hair straight, you literally don't even have to do anything. As you see, the hair is straight. I did not wash the unit. As soon as I got the unit, I actually started styling it for this video. So as you can see, the hair is straight, okay, on its own. It is straight hair. It's not waving up, it is straight. So I really, really like that. Okay, I think the density on this unit is a natural density, which is fine. It's not too thin and it's not too thick, and I really, really like it. The perimeter of this unit has like this band right here, where it kind of like suctions to your head, so you do not have to use any type of glue. Like this is literally what I would consider a glueless wig, because you do not have to use any type of glue to glue it down, okay? So the only thing I would say, this piece right here could be a little bit like, you know, a little bit tight on your head, but I love that you can adjust it. Like you can move it and you won't have any issues, and that actually helps with, you know, your wig coming off. It is so secure. I love units that have this thing right here. I don't even know what it's called. It kind of like suctions to your head, but I told y'all in one of my other videos, I love wigs that have that, because I don't have to worry about my wig like flying away. Like when I go to Great Adventures, I'm probably gonna wear this unit, because I know I'm not gonna have to worry about this flying off my head if I get on a ride, okay? Yes, you have to be secure, girls. Secure the wigs. So all in all, if I had to rate this wig, I would honestly give it an 8 out of 10. Regardless of me not being able to pluck and customize the unit like on the lace part as much as I would like to, I think that it came out amazing, okay? So that means it's very, very low maintenance. I didn't have to do the most. Like literally, I did my baby hairs, I laid it down a little bit on the top, and I added a little curl to the bottom, and that is legit all I had to do to style this wig straight out of the box. So I would highly recommend this unit. It was super affordable for 24 inches, and for like, you know, you to have that little pop of color. This looks like a unit that I would have made, okay? I think it is beautiful. So I would definitely recommend it. I will have the links to everything down in the bottom bar. If y'all have any questions for me, let me know and I will get back to you. I thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye y'all. Don't forget to check the description box for your discount code as well, all right? You can get 6% off.